One more information is given here. About 150 years ago, Dudhwa forest was the habitat for single horn rhino. Single horn rhino, एक शिंगाचा गेंडा. So, but in 20th century, this animal became extinct due to unrelenting hunting. त्यांची शिकार केल्यामुळे त्यांची संख्या कमी झाली. On 1st April 1984, this rhino was restored there. They were bred in captivity and then released in their habitat. For this, 27 square kilometer grassland and forest were round the year water sources were available were selected. So, two observations were established. These efforts are successful. So, now in Dudhwa forest, which is man-made forest, there is huge number of single-horned rhinos are there. Now, second land biome, that is evergreen forest. Now, evergreen forest, it is a natural ecosystem where variety of plants, animals, and abiotic factors are found. Now, here certain national parks are given. A list is given. You have to identify there, or you have to search their state. So, Gir is there in Rajasthan, Gujarat. Remaining you can search it. So again a chart is given based on evergreen forest, that is producers. In evergreen forest, producers are plants, huge trees. So Dipterocarpus, teak, pine, sandalwood are the producers. Now primary consumers, ant, grasshopper, spider, butterfly, all these insects are primary consumers. Now secondary consumers, snake, bird, lizard, jackal are the secondary consumers. Tertiary again, tiger, falcon, cheetah, lion, etc. And decomposers again, all microbes including fungi, viruses, bacteria, aspergillus, polycarpus, etc. So this is about evergreen forest. Now again an information is given here. Let's see. Many ecosystems are conserved in around 520 sanctuaries and national park in India. तर इंडियामध्ये जवळजवळ 520 सँक्च्युरीज आहेत छोट्या मोठ्या. The Great Himalayan National Park is the largest sanctuary where white panther, a rare species, is conserved. So white panther is there in Himalayan National Park. Elephants, wild boars, wild buffaloes, deers, tiger, panthers are conserved in Kaziranga. Kaziranga is there in Assam. So 2/3 of the total number of single-horned rhinos in the world is found at Kaziranga. So जगातले सगळ्यात जास्त one-horned rhinos are there in Kaziranga. So the sanctuary at Bharatpur is famous for aquatic birds. Ranthambore sanctuary is famous for tigers. And Gir forest in Gujarat is the only habitat or shelter for स्पेक्टॅक्युलर एशियन लायन. एशियाटिक लायनसाठी तो गीर फॉरेस्ट आहे. सो ऑल दीज इन्फॉर्मेशन्स आर अबाउट फॉरेस्ट biomes or forest, evergreen forest ecosystems. Now second biome, that is aquatic ecosystem. So as we all know that 71% of earth's surface is covered by water and 29% has land on it. So therefore study of aquatic biomes become very important according to the area. Aquatic biomes are widespread. Types of aquatic biomes or ecosystems, that means freshwater ecosystem, marine water ecosystem, and creek ecosystem. Creek means where the fresh and marine water mix together. So creek ecosystem. Now freshwater ecosystem. So ponds, lakes, rivers included in this kind of ecosystem. The transition of energy in this ecosystem is through water currents and river. Decomposers at the bottom of the water reservoirs, they decompose the dead bodies of plants and animals which are there in the aquatic ecosystem. So here producers are aquatic plants like Eulothrix, Hydrilla, Azolla, Nitella, Typha, Pistia, Ecornia, then blue-green algas. So all these plants are known as producers in aquatic, freshwater aquatic ecosystem. Now second is primary consumer. So aquatic insects, snails, annelids, all annelids are primary consumers. Secondary consumers, small fishes and frogs are known as secondary. Tertiary, who depend on secondary consumer, are large fishes, herons and crocodiles. Decomposers, again bacteria and fungi, viruses, etc. Now second type of aquatic ecosystem, that is marine ecosystem. So in case of marine ecosystem, marine plants grow in this ecosystem. Shallow water contains small fishes, prawns feeding on algae. The central part of the sea has less number of aquatic organisms, large fishes and secondary consumers. Oceans has a large amount of nutrients. As so many minerals are there in the ocean, so the bottom of the ocean has more number of decomposers. Dead bodies of plants and animals, waste materials are decomposed by the bacteria. So this is about aquatic ecosystem.